In this video, I'm going to show you how to create category groups in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Category groups help you organize related categories together, like putting dining out under a food group. This makes your budget and reports easier to read. To create one on desktop, go to Settings, then click on Categories. Next to Income, Expenses, or Transfers, click Create Group. Enter a name for your group, then choose how you want to budget, either by category or by group. Once created, you can drag existing categories into that group or add new ones directly inside it. This helps you keep similar expenses neatly organized. You can edit groups anytime, move categories around, or deactivate groups you no longer need. Using category groups gives you a cleaner, high-level view of your finances, especially when reviewing your budget or reports. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.